welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing this fuzzy blue sweater. Let's check it out. So the collar right off the bat is really unique. It's asymmetrical, so it's going to be like this, and it's a real zipper. Important to note, that turns into a different type of collar. So let me go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so here's a collar when it's down and when it is half zipped. Ooh, I like the half zip look. And then if you want to do full zip, for basically this is like a scarf and sweater 2-in-1. I like this as well as the half zip look for sure. Yeah, both of these are really nice. Ooh, cool. Here are the pockets. Falls just right at your waist. Super, super comfortable. I like that it's kind of a little bit more on the shoulders to give it a little bit more like slimming look. But just in general, I mean, the color is just spectacular. Here's a close-up of the fur. And it comes in all sorts of different colors as well, depending on what's your preference. Let me know in the comments, what color would you get? What do you think about the collar? Do you like the 2-in-1 aspect, you know, the scarf / sweater? Let me know. And if you like unboxings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.